the outer connector in IP camera. First ensure that this go first, followed by this. Then let me assume that this is my camera here. I will make sure that this also enters there. After going here, I will now make sure that the function of this expandable insulator is so that water will not go inside. I'll do it like this. I'll put it down. I'll make sure that the grip, it will make a sound. I'll put this on here. I hook it here, and I'll make sure that it's firm like this. So this is how an IP camera outdoor unit is connected. So this one comes with inbuilt PoE, so I don't need to run the power. If it's the type that doesn't come with an inbuilt PoE, I can use a power, and the power rating is always written on the camera. For this camera, it uses 12 volts. There are some IP cameras that uses 5 volts. So be sure of the power rating so that you don't get the camera spoiled. So for any of your IP camera job, you can easily call on us. As I said earlier, we're always available for you. I will promise you the best and the highest quality job. The clients we are working for here have never met each other before. We will discuss online, and we are here at the site doing the work. Thank you very much. God bless you, and stay blessed.